Hi everybody, I'm Meteorologist Vince Condella at Fox 6. Welcome to the Weather Office. I'm recording these video weather notes on late Sunday afternoon, November 7th. We've had a nice weekend with sunshine. The week ahead looks very nice with a lot of sun and pretty mild temperatures for this time in November. 50s, upper 50s, and low 60s for highs. So the big question everybody wants to know this time of year when we get this type of weather, does this mean Indian summer is here? Does this qualify for Indian summer? First, let's take a look at our weather pattern this week. Here's the general pattern now for the next few days. Really some fine November weather because we'll have a high pressure center to our south and then a couple of low pressure centers that'll actually be parked out to the west of us across the mountains. Now, it appears as if this weather pattern will hold pretty steady for the next few days, which means because winds around the high flow clockwise, winds around the low flow counterclockwise, we end up getting this south to southwest flow of air, bringing milder conditions into the western Great Lakes. It appears that the Gulf of Mexico moisture will not be tapped right away, that our air parcels, our main flow of air, will come not from the Gulf area, but rather from the land area, especially western and central Texas and Oklahoma. Now, later in the week, this pattern becomes progressive and starts to shift to the east. And as it does so, as this high takes off to the northeast, by Friday, low pressure and an approaching cold front get closer. That is going to help to tap some of that Gulf of Mexico moisture. So suddenly we're going to see those air parcels now coming from the Gulf area with higher dew points. This low pressure center will move up the cold front, bring us a chance for some showers, especially by Friday into the weekend, and then some cooler temperatures. Now, as for whether this qualifies as an Indian summer period or not, I'll consult the Glossary of Meteorology from the American Meteorological Society. Indian summer considered a period in mid or late autumn, which we are in, of abnormally warm weather, generally clear skies, sunny but hazy days, and cool nights, and we'll have all of those. In New England, by the way, the specific definition of Indian summer says it must follow at least one killing frost and preferably a substantial period of normally cool weather, followed by this mild trend. Well, you know, we have had our cool weather, we have had our frost and freeze. No matter what you call it, I think we can definitely qualify this week ahead here as Indian summer. And by the way, some autumns we can have no Indian summers, and other times we can have several periods of Indian summers named a couple of centuries ago because this was the warm time period when the Native Americans would get out and do some of their last-minute preparations in the fields. They'd use the mild weather to get out and prepare the fields and the crops and get themselves set for the upcoming winter. Enjoy the mild week. That's it for my video weather notes. Hope to see you on Fox 6 News.